First, we have to create a virtual machine. I have already created a virtual machine on AWS account. So you can use AWS Azure GCP, or you can do this in your local system as well. So what I'm going to do here, first I'll try to connect this machine. So click on this, click on connect. Okay, my server is connected. So here I'm going to deploy my Redpanda cluster as a Docker. So first what we have to do, we have to install Docker and Docker Compose. So let's install Docker and Docker Compose. So let's go to Docker documentation. Here you can see that if you are using Ubuntu or Debian based system, we can use this command. Let's go to virtual machine and paste. Okay, now we successfully installed Docker and Docker Compose. Now we have to create a Docker Compose file for Redpanda cluster, then we will deploy. So let's go to Redpanda documentation. I'll paste this documentation URL in description, you can get from there. You can see that Redpanda self-hosted quick start. So we can either go with the cloud option or we can go with the dedicated. We have a multiple option with the Redpanda first of all. If you want to self-host this, you can do that as well. Okay, so if you come down here, you can see that Redpanda documentation for Docker Compose. Either you can go with a single broker. So this will give only one broker with a less availability. Okay, but if your workload is very high, then what you can do, you can select the 3 broker option, then you can deploy this. So no need to do any changes. If you want to change the Redpanda volume name, if you want to change any other port number configuration, if you want to change any other configuration for this Redpanda, you can do this manually. So as of now, I'll go with the default option. So this is quite enough. Let's copy this. Let's go to my virtual machine. Let's create a file called Docker Compose. So now I have created a file called Docker Compose. Next step is we have to run this. To run this, we can execute Docker Compose up-t. I came back to my virtual machine. You can see that all containers are created. So this is my volume and this is my broker. And at last you can see that my Redpanda console. Let's execute Docker Compose PS. So this will give all the Docker container which created. So this is my Docker Compose, this is my Redpanda 1, 2, 3, then console. So if you want to see the console, you can just copy the public IP and this is running on port number 8080. Let's hit on port number 8080 and this will open our Redpanda console. And here you can see that my Redpanda console, I have a 1 topic, I have a 3 replicas. So 3 broker are only, and this is my master one. Okay, let's go to topic. As of now, I don't have any topic over here. So if you want to create a topic, you can create the topic from the console itself. Let me call this as my topic. Okay, or test topic. Let's give a partition 2 and replication factor we can give 3. It should be an odd number. Click on create. So you can see that topic is created and we have a 2 partition and this is replicated through 3 broker. So fine, now let me do a small testing. I'll create a Python script and the Python script will create some messages and this will produce message to our Kafka or Redpanda. So let's go to my virtual machine again. I have to create a file over here, nano. I can call it as producer. I'm just testing this, producer.py. It's a Python script. Yeah, this is the script. So this script will have a close to 1000 threads. So 1000 thread will send one message every second. Okay, so every second we will get 1000 messages to this broker. And I would say within 1 minute we will have 60,000 messages. Okay, let me save this configuration. Okay, so now you can see that we have a 2 file. One is a Docker Compose, another one is producer.py. So now I'm executing producer.py. So just execute Python and producer.py. Here you can see that, so this producer.py, this is sending message to your topic 0. So topic we already defined in our code, Python code. So this will automatically create a topic called your topic and this will send message to our Redpanda cluster. So let's go to my Redpanda console again. So now you can see that we have one more topic called your topic with a 1 partition, 1 replica. Okay, so click on this your topic. As of now, you can see that we have a 22,000 messages already here. So let's refresh. You can see that 25,000. We can just enable this. This will automatically refresh every 10 seconds. Okay, so that's it. So if you want this kind of video, please do subscribe my channel. So then see you in next video. Bye bye.